In this video, I'll show you how to create a private Telegram channel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This video is solely for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to share in this video. Head over to your Telegram. This is our Telegram, right? Click on this. You want to create a private channel, right? Click on the channel. And just come on here. You can name this, let's say, good, right? So I don't think there's any need for this. I can just find a good picture. Let me see. I can just put this. Okay, I can just put, okay, let me just do this, right? I'm gonna click on this. So you can say I just created this Telegram channel right now, right? I created this Telegram channel right now, and yeah, I want to make it a private Telegram channel. I'm gonna click on this. Click on this pen icon, right? From here you can see the channel type is private, right? You can decide to make it to be public, right? It can be private, it can be public. So it's your choice for you to create a public channel, but once you create a channel on Telegram, I think it's gonna be private first, then you can then decide to switch it on to public, right? So this is how you can create a private Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.